أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. So we are learning Surah Al-Fil, and we have learned three ayat. So there are two more, and inshallah we will try to finish this surah today. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ألم تر كيف فعل ربك بأصحاب الفيل? Did you not see how your Lord dealt with the companions of the elephant? Alam yaj'al kaydahum fi tadlil. If I do word by word, question mark, lam did not, yaj'al, he make or he will make. So this is actually yaj'alu kaydahum, their plan or their plot or their scheme, fi in tadlil, to go astray or to lead astray. Dallala yudallilu tadlil, the chapter we are learning now. Did he not make their planning in astray? وَأَرْسَلَ عَلَيْهِمْ طَيْرًا أَبَابِيلَ. And Arsala, he sent alayhim, upon them, طَيْرًا, birds, ababil, groups. And he sent upon them birds which were in groups. So this was revision of what we have learned so far. Next is ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل. That's where I will get some help, and inshallah we will do that as well. Abdullah Shuaib.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum salam.
Okay.
Okay, can you read the ayah?
Okay. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. ترميهم بحجارة من سجيل.
Okay, what's the first word?
ترميهم.
Can you break it down into two words?
Yes, ترمي and then him. So ترمي
What,
is from
what's the first word for tarmi? Can you guess?
um
No guessing?
no,
Nothing comes to mind?
no.
No.
Is it رمى?
Yeah, Rama. Rama. What will be the mutare for it then?
رمى يرمي.
What chapter that will be? Rama Yarmi sounds like Hada Yahdi to me.
Yeah.
Does it?
Yes, it does.
Yeah. So what chapter that will be then?
باب ناقص.
Bab Naqis. Second type, huh? Rama Yarmi. What's the meaning of Tarmi?
ترمي means you threw or you will throw. You throw or you will throw.
Okay, could this mean something else as well? This is the third word in Mudari column you are
Yes,
saying, right?
it could also mean she throw. She throws or she will throw.
She throws or she will throw. We don't know if it is you throw or she throws. At this time, we don't know that. It could be any of the two.
Yes.
Okay, him.
Him, them, be with حجارة stones,
Okay,
min from سجيل baked clay.
yeah. So the words which are shown here at the bottom, that's the vocabulary. During lessons, we just display them, right? But to unlearn Quran, of course, grammar is important. You would have to learn how to do the surf, know the grammar rules. But without a vocabulary, you cannot do anything. So you have to memorize the vocabulary too. And that normally is you can retain it after repetition. Try to remember it once, then try again, and then it stays. So sijil means baked clay. Can you combine? And you have to also decide, is it she or you?
Okay. Okay,
Do you have any
she,
idea how to?
I think, she threw, stones.
She threw at them.
She threw at them stones from baked clay.
Yeah, who is she here?
The birds?
What birds? Were they she, all of them? Were they all female?
No, no.
Or it was only one bird because it says she. She is singular, right?
Yes.
But Tayran, they were birds. There are a lot of birds. They were in groups. If it is she, then why she is used? By the way, it is she actually. It is not you. You are right. But you have to explain to me why she is used for
Um,
birds. Hmm? Do you know?
no.
You don't know, huh? Anybody else knows in the class why she is used for birds?
Is it because birds are feminine?
Why? Why feminine? No, birds, the word bird is not feminine in Arabic language. No. No, so that is not the reason. Good try at Taimiyah. Brother Taimur.
Is it because it's a broken plural and it's treated as a singular feminine?
Yeah, exactly. Thank you, Brother Taimur. So as Brother Taimur was telling us, Tayran is a broken plural. The singular is Ta'irun. Tara yatiru. Small file will be Ta'irun. And its sound plural will be Ta'iruna. But this is over here, it is not that Ta'iruna which is used. Ta'iran. This is a broken plural of Ta'irun. And broken plural are treated as generally. Broken plurals are generally treated as singular feminine in Arabic language. And that is why she is used for Tayran. Can you repeat that, Taimia, whatever I said, why she is used? Taimia?
Um, because it was like a broken plural, you said.
Mm-hmm.
Um, that's why
And broken plurals are treated as what
they're
in
singular feminine.
singular feminine? She is singular feminine, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah. Can you tell me why Toiran is a broken plural? Why it is not a singular, what, how I know it is a broken plural and not a sound plural? How I know that it is a broken plural? How I identify a broken plural? Do you know, Taimia?
Because there's no sound of una and ina.
Yeah, there is no sound of una, ina, or atun, or atin. Those are the plurals, ending sounds of sound plurals. This is Toiran, right? It looks like it is singular actually, because broken plurals look like singular. So this is not Toiruna, so that is why it is. Good job. Thank you, Taimia. Okay, Abdullah, come back and finish it.
Okay,
Combine.
so it is she threw at them
Listen,
rock.
listen now, listen. Do we have a broken plural concept in English language?
No.
No. So what we will say? In English, we will say they.
Okay.
Because in English, we cannot say she for birds, it is a plural. This is a rule for only Arabic language, not for English language. When we translate this into English, what we will say?
We'll say they threw.
They, yeah. She will not make sense in English. This is a language problem now. Go ahead.
Okay, they threw stones from baked clay.
They threw at what?
They
They threw
threw
at something?
stones at them from baked clay.
Yeah. They threw stones at them from baked clay. From baked clay, what does that mean? From baked clay.
It means uh, that the stones were made out of baked clay.
Yeah, stones are made out of baked clay. Yeah. Good. So what's if Abdullah Shoaib, what is the status of him here?
The status of him is
Hmm? Him is a pronoun attached to a verb, a fail. Huh?
it's jar status.
No, no, no. Taimur, yes, please.
Mansub.
Mansub.
When pronoun is attached to a field, it's mansub. When pronoun is attached to an ism, it's in jar status.
Yeah, so it is not, Tarmi is not an ism, right? So that why him is not in jar status. And Brother Taimur also tell us why it has to be nasab status. Because,
Because it's a maf'ul, so
yeah, it is
it's
maf'ul, and maf'ul has to be in nasab
not
status.
status.
Yeah, thank you, Brother Taimur. Thank you, Abdullah Shoaib. فَجَعَلَهُمْ كَعَصْفٍ مَأْكُولٍ. So we do the next ayah, inshallah. And Sister Naimat, could you help us with that, inshallah?
Yes.
Can you do by word, please?
Fa, so, Jala, he made, whom, them, ka, like, asfin, I don't know.
Yeah, asfin is a new word. Yeah, asfin, hay, like the hay that animals eat.
Hey, ma'kul, um,
Yeah,
eaten,
sorry.
eat, something about it.
Yeah, yeah. So what would be the first word?
Akala,
Akala. Yeah, very good. Akala. Akala means he ate. Could you use akala? And it is like Bab Nasara. Akala ya'kulu. Huh? Could you reach ma'kul? Could we do that, please?
okay. Akala, akalu, akalta, akaltum, akaltu, akalna. يأكل يأكلون تأكل تأكلون آكل نأكل
Kul.
أكل لا تأكل أكلوا لا تأكلوا آكلون آكلون آكلين مأكولون
Ma'kulun. Yeah, you got it.
مأكولون.
Yeah, that is the word here. Ma'kulun. So this is ismul maf'ul singular. So what do you think it will mean?
What is eaten?
Yeah, and what is eaten? Chewed up. It is chewed up and eaten. Okay, can you combine?
So he made them like chewed up hay.
Like chewed up hay. Hmm? Yeah, sometimes animals they chew up and maybe they will throw up. So that's disgusting thing, disgusting matter. It's disgusting thing that it's a chewed up hay, so it's very disgusting thing. So do we have any fragment here, sister?
Um, Asfin,
Mm-hmm. Kasfin, what is that?
jar majrur.
Jar majroor. Ka is a jar and asfin is majroor. Is there any other fragment?
Asfin makulin, sifa mausuf.
Sifa mausuf. Very good. So makul is sifa of asf, hay. A hay which is chewed up. What's the status of whom here?
Nasab,
And why is that?
because it's attached to a verb, a
Very
fi'l.
good. And it is a maf'ul, right?
Yeah.
And so he made them like chewed up hay, eaten up hay. So this was the end of those Ashabul Fil, the companions of the elephant who came to Makkah to destroy the Kaaba. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala just ruined their plot, their scheme, and he sent upon them birds which were in groups. Those birds, they threw upon them stones which were made out of baked clay. And what happened to them after they were struck by those stones? That they were like chewed up hay. So this is Suratul Fil. We have finished it today. So before we go into the breakout room, I will just go over one concept briefly and then we go into the breakout room, inshallah. So we have over here, from Ja'ala Yaj'alu, Ba Fataha. Ja'ala means he made, Yaj'alu who makes. So I just have listed here 6 words from the Mudare column. And we know when lam comes with Failul Mudare, and it always comes with Failul Mudare, what does it do? It will change yaj'alu to yaj'al, yaj'aluna to yaj'alu. Noon will be dropped. And similarly, lam taj'al, lam taj'alu, lam aj'al, lam naj'al. And the meanings will be he did not make, they did not make, you did not make, you all did not make, I did not make, we did not make. We already know this because we have done this already. We did this, I think, with yaftahu word. Now, there is a similar operation that happens, but not with lam. There is a different word, li. This is not li, the one we call lam jar. No, this is not a jar. This is a different li. Because that li only comes with ism, which means for, and that is a jar or harf of jar. This li, it is not a jar, it is called lamul amr. Okay, lam of amr. So what does it do? It does the same thing though. Look at this. But it does it only to 4 words out of 6. That's where the difference is. It does the same thing. You see, it is liyaftah, liyaftahu. Noon is dropped. And in case of la yaftah, the ha gets a sukun. And then we move down, liaftah and linaftah. Operation is the same, but the problem is it only does to third person and first person words. Lam could apply to all the 6 words, but li, the lamul amr, it does not. So yaftahu means he opens. Li yaftah means he should open. He should open. Li yaftahu, they should open. Li aftah, I should open. Li naftah, we should open. Now, the question is, why this lamul amr does not apply to the third person? Why it doesn't work with taftahu and taftahuna and make it li taftah and li taftahu? Why is that? Can anybody guess why is that? Umar or Brother Ahmad?
Sorry, because we already have Amr. Iftahu.
So what you are saying we already have iftah. Iftah means what?
You open.
You open, but it doesn't only mean you open. It means it has a range of meanings. You open like an order. It also
Yes.
means you should open, like a suggestion.
Yeah,
And
a request as well.
it also means request. You please open. So it has a range of meanings. It depends whom you are talking to. For example, if you asking someone to open the door, you could order someone, you could request someone, or you could suggest someone, but the word will be the same. Iftah. So because already we have words called Failul Amr, thank you, Brother Ahmed, then why we use Li Lam Amr for that? So Arabs don't do that. So Arabs do use lamul amr with third person and first person, with he, they, I, and we. They don't use it for you because we already have fi'lul amr. So remember this concept, lamul amr acting on al-fi'lul mudari, and how it changes the haraka on the last letter or drops the noon. Okay, inshallah that will be used in the next surah. Now we can go to the breakout room.